thornless blackberry variety is suitable for growing in pots. Blackberries need 6 hours of sun every day to produce sweet berries. Wide containers are good because the blackberry roots spread out rather than down. A pot having about 15-inch diameter and 12-inch high may be suitable. Ensure that the pot has several holes at the bottom for excess water drainage, otherwise the roots will rot. You can start with a smaller container and transfer the plant to next higher size when the roots emerge from the bottom holes. The roots of this plant are coming out, so it needs a bigger pot. So I will repot it in a new pot. Blackberries need acidic to slightly basic organic well-drained soil. For this, mix compost and river sand or perlite in garden soil. The compost will make soil nutritious and acidic, while the river sand will make it free draining. You can mix cow manure and some argilla soil instead of compost. Change the container soil every third year with the new soil. Some varieties of blackberries need trellis to climb up, and some have straight canes so they do not need trellis. In spring, apply general fertilizer around the rim of the pot and mix in soil. Water well. You can feed any good quality liquid fertilizer mixed with seaweed solution every 2 weeks. The blackberry plant in pot needs regular watering, maybe daily in summer. Water the plant when the top 1 inch of soil is dry. Water so that it does not come out of the pot from the drainage holes to prevent loss of nutrients. Blackberries need high humidity in the soil, so put a thick layer of sugarcane mulch on top of the soil to contain the humidity in the soil. This will also prevent weeds. Prune the weak canes, lateral canes, and canes which have borne fruits. The branch after fruiting will not fruit again. Prune it to the ground level after harvest. Put only berries that are fully black, as they do not ripen after being picked. You have to pick them often. They don't ripen altogether. Blackberries last only for a few days once harvested, even with refrigeration. Refrigerate them as soon as possible after harvest.